Hello, I'm Paulette Davidson, President and CEO of Monument Health. To our communities, patients, caregivers, and physicians, I want to personally update you on what we're doing to confront COVID-19. The safety of our patients, caregivers, and physicians remains our focus. We do have travel policies in place that are in line with the South Dakota Department of Health and CDC guidelines. We're also screening everyone who enters our clinical environments. For those who are concerned they may have been exposed to the COVID-19 virus, a team of nurses and physicians are available to talk with on our triage line. We also have 5 drive-out test sites within the Black Hills to minimize additional exposure of the virus. Telehealth visits by a Monument Health physician are now available and will continue to expand over the coming weeks for seamless access to the doctors you trust. There were more positive test results in our communities this week. We expect more will follow. And for now, the hardest part of the COVID-19 pandemic for many may be the wait. Waiting to hear the result of a COVID-19 lab test, waiting to hear if there are more positive cases, waiting to get back to our normal routines. At Monument Health, our clinics and offices are quieter as many elect for televisits. Elective surgeries have been postponed, and many of our non-clinical caregivers are working from home. While we all wait, the work being done behind the scenes at Monument Health to prepare for a potential surge of patients sickened by this virus began weeks ago. We didn't wait. I'm so proud of our teams. Physicians and caregivers are working around the clock, launching new innovative services, taking on new responsibilities, and coming together as fellow South Dakotans. We have construction teams rapidly building out temporary space. We've set up a labor pool to reassign team members as our operations change. Our Nourish Cafe has added a mini grocery store for caregivers to grab essentials on their way home. Everywhere I turn, there are teams going the extra mile. If you listen to the national and local news reports, the 2 biggest COVID-19 challenges to date have been the national medical supply shortage and delays in testing. Our supply chain team members are carefully monitoring the use and daily inventory of personal protective equipment, such as masks, gloves, and gowns. We have implemented best practice conservation methods to preserve essential supplies for busier times ahead. We're pursuing every option to acquire more supplies through national and global vendors. We're considering alternative products wherever we can, and we're thinking differently by working with local technology and manufacturing companies to make the equipment that we need. We're lucky to have one of the best engineering schools in the country here in our backyard. We collaborate daily with Mayo Clinic and our neighboring healthcare systems to share best practices. We are seeing improved turnaround times in COVID-19 lab results from the South Dakota State Laboratory and the Mayo Clinic Laboratory. We expect to receive our allocation of essential COVID-19 test processing supplies soon, and will be able to obtain results from our Rapid City Hospital in minutes once those supplies arrive. I'm very proud to be part of our community. The number of caring people that have volunteered to help is inspiring. Everything from sewing needed masks, donations of medical supplies, local engineers assisting with statistical modeling, to the gifts of meals for our caregivers. Many in our community have offered to lend a hand wherever help is needed. These are unprecedented times, and I'm seeing unprecedented efforts. People are doing remarkable things. I assure you, we will get through this together. To our communities, thank you for trusting us as your healthcare partner. To the families of our physicians and caregivers, thank you for supporting your loved ones as they come to work each day. To my Monument Health family, thank you. Today is Doctors' Day, and the work our providers do on a daily basis is heroic. Now more than ever, thank you. Our mission is to make a difference every day, and I'm proud to be part of such a dedicated team of professionals. Thank you for your tireless work.